So it's not necessary, but I show you how to put on snow chains on the car. Okay? So first of all, this is the first tip. Exercise at home, okay? In the garage or something like this. And then second thing, put the chains out and then look that all the chains are free. So look at this. So like this, okay? And then at this chain there are different chains, okay? But at this chain, this thing must look on this side, okay? So first, yes, everything is clean and free. And then you put the snow chains. Again, sorry. Yeah, you see, it's not that easy. It's not that easy, even if I'm used to. So, and then you just put it like this. So, it's a little bit more difficult in the snow. That's why it is a good idea to practice at home. Okay? So, and then you have both and you put it here. And then you put it together here and it's hold. And then you take the chains and put the metal thing into this chain. Okay, and when it's in, you can put the chain behind, and then you already have the best part behind you, or the most difficult part. And then there is another metal thing. Okay, first the metal things. Okay, metal things are important. Metal things first. And then there is this one. You take it out and you take it into this second metal thing. Alright? And then you anziehen. Then you do like this. Zack! You see it? So, and then you only have to fix it. Yeah, it's maybe better with some gloves. You have to fix it. Then you drive about 10 meters, that it's really on the tire, and then you're ready. It's not so schwierig, huh? It's not that difficult, but you have to exercise it at home, really. I made a mistake in my first winter with my first snow chain experience, that I didn't exercise at home, and that was a big mistake. I had about 1 hour for one chain. So yeah, it's quite a good thing to exercise. All right, at home on a dry ground without some snow, and then you are safe. Okay, then you drive a few meters, and then you have to do it again like this. That it is really close to the tire. Yeah. Okay, and don't drive too fast. I think it's 30 or 40 kilometers per hour. Then it's enough, okay? Yeah, that's all. It looks so easy, but if you do it the first time, it is not, I swear.